Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're looking at one of the most overlooked features of the Divi theme, and it's an awesome feature. It's the role editor. And what this enables you to do is turn off and turn on various features of the Divi theme, so that if you have third-party people coming in to edit your site and contribute content, you can stop them from messing up the site by turning these features on and off. So to get to the role editor, go to your dashboard, down to Divi, and you'll see it down here. Click on it, it'll bring you to this page. So obviously I'm an admin on this site, I've got everything enabled here. So let's go in and perhaps create a contributor. And let's disable the library, split testing, page options, portability, which means they can't upload or download JSON files. We'll let them add and delete an item, and edit item, move item, disable item, that's fine. Stop them saving to library and adding from library, and editing global items if we've got any saved. You can stop them from editing colors, content, fonts, buttons, etc. Let's disable the fonts and disable the buttons feature. And down here in module use, you can actually turn off and on the modules that you want to allow them to use. So let's turn a lot of these off. Let's just leave it perhaps. We'll leave them with images, full width code. We'll leave with images, text and galleries perhaps. So gallery we'll leave. Icon, let's leave the icons. Image, disable the login, maps, menus, number counters. We'll leave in the person module. Portfolio, we'll let them have a search, sidebar, slider, we'll leave that social media, tabs, testimonial, we'll let them have that one, text, we'll leave that one, toggle, let's turn that one off, video and video slider, we'll leave the video there. Down below you've got the support center and system status, remote access. I think we'll let go of all of these. And portability, we've turned that off already. Let's disable the options and customize the settings. Role editor, because we don't want to be able to turn this back on. Builder layouts we'll leave, and the theme builder we'll leave. Okay, so I'm going to save the Divi roles now, the little green button up the top here, and let's create a new contributor. So to do that, go down to users, add new, we'll give him a name, put his email in there. Let's generate one, and we'll just copy it to a little text file. And when you put your email in there, which is required, it'll send the new user an email about their account. I'm going to uncheck that because he's fictitious. And role, we want him to be a contributor. There we go. Let's add a new user now. Alright, and let's get an incognito tag, and we'll sign in as Bob. Bob Smith, and let's just get that password that we copied. and log in. And right away you can see he's got a much more limited options in the dashboard here. And let's create a new post with him. And let's use the Divi builder. And we've only got the one here built from scratch. There's no load from library or duplicate page or anything like that because we've switched those off. So we're going to say start building. Let's put a row in there. And as you can see, we've limited him to only being able to use these particular modules here. And like I said earlier, that's fantastic. If you've got third-party people working on your site and you want to be careful about what they can and can't do, that's a fantastic feature. And it's very rarely mentioned. So there you go, guys. There's a fantastic role editor again. You can get it to your dashboard, down to Divi, role editor. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.